Music. CoinEx crypto exchange, is it right for you? Links are below. Let's explore what CoinEx offers. Launched in 2017, this global platform boasts a diverse range of assets, competitive fees, and a user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, CoinEx supports spot, futures, margin trading, and even staking. One of its biggest draws? Over 600 trading pairs. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins, CoinEx offers variety. Plus, enjoy low, transparent trading fees, starting at 0.2%. Holding their CET token unlocks even bigger discounts and rewards. Want passive income? CoinEx offers staking and financial services. For high-risk traders, perpetual futures contracts with up to 100x leverage are available. CoinEx prioritizes security with multi-signature cold wallets and robust encryption. 24/7 customer support ensures quick issue resolution. While CoinEx offers diverse assets, competitive fees, and advanced tools, it's important to note it isn't as regulated as platforms like Binance or Coinbase. Consider your risk tolerance. Ready to learn more? Check the links below.